7वा गोवा रस्ता सुरक्षा सप्ताह सुरू करण्यात येणार आहे। त्यासाठी विविध उपक्रम राबवले जातील अशी माहिती वाहतूक खात्याच्या अधिकाऱ्यांनी दिली। यामध्ये वाहतूक विषयी जागृती करण्याबरोबरच शिस्त मोडणाऱ्यांच्या विरोधात मोहीम सुरू केली जाईल असंही त्यांनी यावेळी सांगितलं।
To 17th, the state is organizing the 7th Goa Road Safety Week. So in view of this, different activities are being planned in Panji and various traffic cells. Like we are organizing rallies for small children and awareness drives. As a matter of fact, in Panji already awareness drive has started, and we will be very strict with the enforcement in different traffic cells, different places on highways, as well as in the city areas. Besides this, educative banners, special drives will be conducted for helmets, then for cases like drunken driving, use of mobile, double parking in the cities, then obstructive parking on footpaths will be removed. These various drives will be undertaken.
Traffic Safety Week is little later. Now we have started a specific drive in Panjim city on model basis that we will extend to whole over Goa. First, we are educating people on internal road in city itself. Those who are not following traffic rule, like not wearing helmet, not wearing seat belt, they are all grouped up in a group of 15 to 20, and our police personnel on loudspeaker, he gives them all kind of information about traffic rules, safety, how many people are dying on the road of Goa, why should they wear helmet, why should they wear seat belt, and all kind of that stuff. And from 18th onward, we will strictly enforce it about illegal parking, unauthorized parking, parking on zebra crossing, all kind of rules and regulation of traffic will be strictly enforced from 18th of September. Yes, we are aware of it. Not only casinos but private bus vehicle people are also parking their vehicle unauthorizedly. We have issued a letter to them, to all organizations, to casinos and to private bus vehicle owners also, that it is your duty to give parking space to your employee and to the customer. The organization or company found parked vehicle illegally and unauthorizedly, the action will be initiated not only against the person who has parked it illegally, but also against the organization for illegal abatement to illegal encroachment.